Welcome to this peaceful journey, designed to gently guide you into a state of deep relaxation and restful sleep. As you begin this experience, allow yourself to fully embrace the tranquility that awaits you, letting go of the day's demands and preparing your mind and body for profound rest. Find a comfortable position, whether lying down or sitting, allowing your body to feel fully supported and at ease. Settle into your chosen space, making any small adjustments needed to ensure maximum comfort, as this is your time to unwind completely. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze, letting go of any tension held within your face, your jaw, and your shoulders. Imagine a gentle release, as if a soft wave is washing over these areas, smoothing away any tightness or strain. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your abdomen gently rise, filling with calm, peaceful air. Notice the cool sensation of the air entering your nostrils, bringing with it a sense of serenity and quiet. And as you exhale slowly through your mouth, release any worries or thoughts from your day, letting them drift away like clouds. Visualize these thoughts gently dissipating into the vastness, leaving your mind clear and unburdened. Continue this gentle rhythm of breath, inhaling peace, exhaling tension, allowing each breath to deepen your relaxation. With every inhale, draw in more calm, and with every exhale, release more deeply into comfort and stillness. Feel your body becoming heavier, sinking deeper into your resting surface, supported and secure. Allow the surface beneath you to hold you completely, surrendering your weight and finding a profound sense of stability and peace. Imagine a warm, soothing wave of relaxation beginning at the crown of your head, slowly flowing downwards. This gentle wave is infused with warmth and comfort, spreading its calming influence throughout your entire being. Feel it softening your forehead, relaxing your eyes, and easing any tightness around your temples. Allow this wave to smooth out any lines of worry, bringing a sense of profound peace to your facial muscles. This wave moves down to your neck and shoulders, melting away any stiffness, leaving them soft and loose. Picture any knots or tension dissolving as your neck and shoulders become completely relaxed and free. It flows through your arms, down to your fingertips, releasing all effort, all holding. Feel your hands and fingers becoming soft and pliable, completely at rest, as if all the day's tasks have been gently set aside. Now, feel this wave of calm reaching your chest and abdomen, softening your core, allowing your breath to flow freely and deeply. Experience a gentle expansion and contraction with each breath, a natural rhythm of peace within your center. Let it wash over your hips, down your legs, through your knees, and into your ankles and feet. This wave of relaxation continues its journey, bringing comfort and ease to every part of your lower body, from your hips to your toes. Every muscle, every fiber of your being is now completely relaxed, heavy, and at peace. You are enveloped in a profound sense of calm, a deep stillness that permeates your entire physical form, from head to toe. You are safe, you are secure, and you are ready to rest. Embrace this feeling of complete safety and security, knowing that you are perfectly positioned to transition into a deep and restorative sleep. Now, imagine yourself lying comfortably under a vast, starlit sky, infinite and peaceful. The darkness above is not empty, but filled with countless points of light, each one a tiny beacon of tranquility. Each star twinkles gently, a distant, soft light guiding you deeper into tranquility. Observe their subtle dance, their quiet brilliance, as they invite you to let go and surrender to the peaceful expanse of the night. Feel the cool, soft air on your skin, a gentle caress that lulls you further into calm. This gentle breeze is a comforting presence, a soft whisper against your skin, deepening your sense of relaxation and ease. The only sound is the soft whisper of the night, a lullaby just for you. Perhaps the distant rustle of leaves or the gentle hum of the earth, creating a symphony of natural sounds that soothe your soul. You are drifting, floating effortlessly, surrounded by the quiet beauty of the universe. Allow yourself to be weightless, suspended in this serene environment with no effort required, just pure, unadulterated peace. Each breath takes you deeper. Each moment brings you closer to profound rest. With every inhale and exhale, you are sinking further into this peaceful state, preparing your body and mind for the deepest sleep. You are completely at peace, completely safe, completely ready to surrender to sleep. There is nothing left to do, nowhere else to be, simply allowing yourself to be carried into the embrace of slumber. Allow yourself to be carried by this gentle current of calm, deeper and deeper. Imagine this current as a soft, flowing river, gently guiding you towards the shores of deep, restorative sleep without any resistance. You are worthy of this rest, and your body and mind are grateful for this time of renewal. Acknowledge this gift you are giving yourself, this essential time for healing and rejuvenation, knowing its profound benefits. As you prepare for sleep, know that you are held in comfort and peace. Feel the gentle embrace of this comfort, a soft blanket of tranquility that surrounds you, protecting and nurturing you as you drift off. Let your thoughts become like distant stars, fading into the vastness of the night sky. Observe them without judgment, then allow them to recede, becoming smaller and more distant until they are no longer a focus. You are now entering a deep, restorative sleep where your body heals and your mind finds tranquility. Trust in this natural process, allowing your body to repair and your mind to clear, preparing you for a fresh new day. Rest deeply, sleep soundly, and awaken refreshed and renewed. May your sleep be filled with peace, and may you wake feeling vibrant, energized, and ready to embrace the day ahead with clarity and calm. Good night. Allow these final words to gently usher you into the profound depths of sleep, knowing that you are safe, cherished, and completely at peace. Drift off now into a night of deep, undisturbed rest.